Greetings and a warm welcome to Money Maximized. In today's discussion, we'll be delving into the key points of the book, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is a comprehensive personal finance book that provides a step-by-step plan to achieve financial independence and stability. Here is a detailed overview of the key principles and strategies outlined in the book. Financial reality. Check. Ramsey starts by urging readers to assess their current financial situation honestly. This includes calculating their total debt, creating a budget, and understanding their income and expenses. Baby steps. The book introduces the concept of baby steps, which are a series of 7 financial milestones that individuals should work toward in order. These steps serve as a roadmap to financial freedom. Baby step 1, $1,000 emergency fund. The first step is to establish a $1,000 emergency fund. This fund acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses and helps prevent the need to go into debt for emergencies. Baby step 2, debt snowball. In this step, Ramsey recommends paying off all non-mortgage debt using the debt snowball method. This approach involves listing debts from smallest to largest and aggressively paying off the smallest debts first, while making minimum payments on others. The idea is to build momentum and gain confidence by paying off debts one by one. Baby step 3, fully funded emergency fund. After becoming debt-free, except for the mortgage, you're advised to build a fully funded emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This provides a strong financial cushion. Baby step 4, invest 15% of income. Once the emergency fund is in place, you're encouraged to invest at least 15% of your income for retirement. This includes using employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401ks and Roth IRAs. Baby step 5, college funding. Save for your children's college education, ensuring they can graduate without debt. Baby step 6, pay off home, mortgage. Ramsey advocates paying off your home mortgage early to eliminate this major expense and become completely debt-free. Baby step 7, build wealth and give back. The final step focuses on building wealth and leaving a financial legacy. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of giving generously to charitable causes and supporting the community.
Debt-free lifestyle. Ramsey promotes a debt-free lifestyle, emphasizing the importance of living within your means, budgeting, and avoiding credit card debt. He encourages the use of cash and debit cards for transactions. Financial Peace University. The book often references Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University, a financial education program that offers classes and resources to help people get on track with their finances. Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover provides a structured and practical approach to financial success. While his principles and methods have been successful for many, it's important to note that the book's strategies might not be suitable for everyone. It's crucial to adapt financial advice to your personal circumstances and financial goals.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.